Hey, welcome to my video on FlexOffer Referrals. So basically, FlexOffers is an affiliate program that allows you to, depending on what type of business you have, you can be a publisher, so if you have a blog, you're on Instagram, YouTube, things like that, then you can promote other people's products and get paid. If you're an advertiser, if you have a website, maybe you sell keto products or CBD oil or something to that effect, you can join Flex Offers and let other people promote your products and then they get paid. So they have 12,000 plus advertisers, 500 plus premium, dedicated affiliate managers. They have a Flex Rev Share, enhanced tech services, so they have an API and things like that. So let's go on over and I'll show you what it looks like logged in. So here's one of my accounts. And here you have, like, at the top they have like Nordstrom, Intercontinental, IHG, Macy's. You can come down, they even have credit cards. So in some cases you can, if you have to get especially approved, but you can actually sign up and promote credit cards. So if you have a business finance type blog. So these are all the different, these are just a few of the different ones that are brand new to Flex Offers. One thing I noticed about Flex Offers, it's fairly easy to get approved for a lot of the programs. Not all of them, but quite a few. There's still some that are very strict and they make it very difficult. So here you go, here's Lululemon. So if you're doing, YouTube, Instagram type of, you could, potentially promote them. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ones: Forever 21, Bloomingdale's, Monster. So here's all the different categories. Automotive, business, careers, credit cards, education, clothing, accessories. Let's see, where is health, home and garden, health and wellness. You can come over here, click on this. So if you're all statuses, here you go, and then you can go through and start payouts. 24% per sale. This one here you go, 40%. So I would focus on, personally, I would look at ones that have here you go, payout is $6. So Flow Vitamins, that might be one you might want to promote. So, but yeah, basically I would look and see. Some of them, the percent is very, very small. So, but that's entirely up to you what you want to promote. But there's tons of, it's very easy. You can do, when you're going to do links, you can actually find ones that have deep linking, which means you can link to any page. So here you go, here's deep linking. So you can click on that. And then, like I said, you can basically, paste your own, uh, you can paste your own link. You don't have to use just their links. But anyways, here you go, here's top links. So there you go, look at this. So earnings per click, Overstock, Hulu, 30 cents, 43, Motley Fool, Home Depot. So there's some, you can see quite a few name brands here. But anyways, click on the link in the description. Go ahead and sign up for Flex Offers today and have a great day. Thanks.